Alright guys, so this is my next project I'm working on. Just picked it up last week, so I'm excited to get started on this one and make a weekend bracket car out of it. So let's cut it open and see what we got. So this will be my first time building one of these kits. Even though I'm a big Mustang fan, I have not built this one yet. Glass. Suspension, part of the rear axle. Of course, I'm going to modify that and lower this thing a little bit. Some more suspension stuff. Springs, rack, shocks. Exhaust system, probably not going to use that. I typically use a custom exhaust. Oh, that's cool. It's got some calipers and rotors in there. That's pretty neat. A little small block. Now we are going to use the box kit, the box motor out of this one. I don't know. I'm probably going to use a different intake. I don't know if I'm going to run fuel injection on this one. I think I'm probably going to do a carburetor. This H-pipe. That's pretty cool. Radiator stuff. Engine cross member. More engine stuff. We got the body pan. This is a really nice kit. There's like hardly any flash, so not a lot of cleanup gonna have to be done here, which is good. Chassis looks really good. I like the detail. Lights. Let's take a look at the body here. Very nice. Oh, I like that the front and rear bumpers are already molded in. I like that a lot. So you don't have to go in there and adjust fitment and have to worry about that part of it. That's cool. Yeah, that's a very nice body. I like that a lot. No flash. That's going to be really good to work with. Interior stuff. Love the hood. Love that big old cowl. Seats. I like the seats too. Sporty racing seats. Got a nice rear spoiler. Some roll cage stuff. I don't know if I'm going to do the cage. I'll see. Haven't really decided yet. You know, kind of a weekend bracket car guy. You know, not really running fast enough for a cage, but hey, I may use it anyway. I like that. Oh, you got option. Okay, cool. Got two options for seats. kind of a stock style, and then the racing buckets. I think I'm only going to run one seat. Interior, I don't think I'm going to run the interior panels. And I'll show you what I'm talking about once I start building it. But, you know, kind of the guy trying to reduce weight, you know, running with no interior is kind of what I'm going to do. Probably run with just the seat and the dashboard. Kind of my plans on that. Exhaust manifolds. There's another intake. There's the dash. Center console. Yeah, so some of this stuff won't get used. Steering wheel. I've got a 3D printed steering wheel that I'm going to use instead of the factory wheel. And another hood option. Oh, that's cool. I didn't realize it. There were two ways to build this. Guess I should pay attention to the box more than I did. 3D printed wipers, like those. Yeah, that's great. Got the tires in here. Now I'm probably going to use these. Got some slicks and then some radials. So I am probably going to use the box tires. And the wheels, more than likely. I like those. It's kind of a weld style wheel. Center lines. Yeah, those will be nice. I am gonna hit them with some panel liner, kind of knock down the chrome a little bit, give them a little dirtier look, create some shadows and whatnot. I've seen that trick before, and that works really good. And then you got the factory stuff, factory wheels. So yeah, I like all the extra pieces here because, hey man, you can throw them in a stash and use them for other projects later. Decals. I'm probably going to use some of the contingency decals down here, like on the windows and stuff. I like those license plates. Drag car notch. That's cool. This is a nice decal set. There's a lot of good stuff on there. Hood pins. That's cool. Yeah, awesome. Man, I like this kit a lot. I can see kind of a vision of this thing already. And like I told you guys, I am going to build this thing like a weekend bracket car, right? Guy threw together in his backyard, found an old body, and man kind of pieced it together, threw some fenders on it, doors. So it's going to have some different colors on it. You know, the hood's going to be kind of like a raw fiberglass. The guy just bought it and you know, doesn't really worry about painting it, just kind of throw it on there so he can go racing. So that's my thoughts for this. Yeah, I'm really happy with this kit. Really looking forward to putting it together. So my next video, guys, I'm going to kind of go through my approach to when I start putting a car together. You know, get an idea on what I want to do with the suspension and any modifications I have to make and that kind of good stuff. So I'll take you through that on the next video. But man, unboxing this one. This is my next project. I'm probably going to have a couple of projects going on at one time here, but you know, that's what we usually do, I guess. So anyway, have a good one, guys. Look forward to this, and keep on the channel so you can keep up with these updates. So anyway, guys, see you in the next one. As always, coffee time, build models, pet dogs. See ya.